Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial on this look that is on my face just now. It's very out there, very out my comfort zone. But you know, sometimes that's a good thing, going out of your comfort zone and trying new things. And I'm really pleased with how this look turned out, and I hope you guys like it too. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so as you can tell, I have done one eye and I'm really happy how it turned out. So let's just try and recreate it on this side. To start off, I'm going to be using my MAC spiked eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be filling in my brow. As you can see with this one, I didn't actually do too much. I'm kind of preferring the more natural brow lately. So yeah, I'm just going to fill in this eyebrow. Okay, so now I've filled it in my brow, I'm going to quickly get a disposable mascara wand and I'm just going to brush up the front of my eyebrow. By doing this, I'm basically like distributing the product and, you know, kind of just blending it out so the front of the brow isn't as harsh. Then I am going to use MAC Select Cover Up. This is in the shade NW15. I'm going to use this to carve out underneath my brows and just neaten up that area. And I'm also going to use this as like my eye base. Okay, and now with like a fluffy kind of concealer brush, I'm gonna buff away these harsh concealer edges. Then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna use Doll Beauty's Like a Diamond highlighter. Then I'm gonna go through my brow with some brow gel. This is the Essence Brow Gel Mascara in the, I don't know what shade it is, but it's the darkest shade they do. Okay, so now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my first colour, and I'm going to go in with this peachy orangey shade, and this is the Sample Beauty Spectrum palette. So I'm just going to start blending this colour into the crease and really blow this colour out, as this is obviously our first transition shade. So the next colour I'm going to go in with is this red shade. This is quite bright and today was the first time that I used it and I love it. So on a smaller crease brush, I'm going to put that more defined in the crease. So right into the crease socket and just blend it and darken it a little bit. Then I'm going to go back in with that first colour and just blend it at the tops again. Then to darken the look even more, I'm going to go in with a darker red, this one here. And again, I'm just going to deepen up the crease with that. Then I'm just going to go in with the previous shadows I used before the darkest colour and just make sure everything's blended together seamlessly. Okay, so now I'm going to start cutting out the crease. I'm going to do it like a winged out cut crease, as you can see on this eye. I like to use two different brushes for this, like a flat concealer brush like this one and an eyeliner brush like this one. And to cut out the crease, of course, I'm using some MAC Select Cover Up. So I'm going to start with the eyeliner brush and just outline. Okay, so now that the cut crease is outlined, I'm just going to apply concealer all over the lid. Then I'm going to go over the concealer with this white eyeshadow here, just from the Sample Beauty palette again. Yeah, the same thing happened like it did on this eye. It just didn't really go as white. I feel like if I wanted it white, I'd have to go in with like a gel white eyeliner and carve out the crease that way. But I feel like it still goes. It's like a whitey, pinky concealer shade. So yeah, I'm just going to use a little cotton pad with micellar water and just sharpen up this edge here because I'm going to be doing the winged eyeliner. So I'm going to take my NYC liquid eyeliner and basically just draw a wing. Okay, so now it's time for glitter. I'm going to apply a little bit of NYX glitter in the shade Gunmetal. I'm just going to quickly stamp this onto the liner. You have to do this, sorry, I'm trying to find my brush. You have to do this pretty quickly after you've done the liner because obviously the liner dries and you want to use the wetness as like a glue. So I'm just stamping that onto the liner. I don't want there to be loads and loads of glitter on the liner, just like a light sheen, just so it like reflects when I move. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some Select Cover Up to underneath my eyes. I'm going to be applying eyeshadow here now. Then I'm just going to buff away the harsh edges from that concealer. I'm going to apply some eyeliner to my waterlines. This is the MAC Graph Black Eyeliner Kajal pencil. So I'm going to apply that to my waterline. Then I'm going to start going in with my eyeshadows. So whatever I put on top of my eye, I always bring down. So I'm going to go in with the lightest shade we went in with, which was peachy pinky colour, and just buff that underneath my eye. Then I'm going to go in with the reddish shade and then the darker red shade. Then I'm going to highlight my inner corners using the Doll Beauty highlighter again. And I'm going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so next I'm going to pop on my Angel lash. These are the Johnston lashes, which I released like, oh god, it must have been like 2 weeks ago now. So yeah, these are in the style Angel. Little plug, but you can get my lashes from my shop and it's always linked down below. Okay, so I just wanted to zoom out a little bit so you can see my whole face. I feel like I look like a potato. But anyway, I'm just going to use my Smashbox Primer Water Primer. So I'm going to spray that on my face. And to make my skin nice and glowy, I'm going to go in with this highlighter from MAC. I believe this is limited edition, which is annoying. I really shouldn't be using limited edition products, which you guys can't get a hold of. But I just love this so much. Any, you know, cream highlighter will do. This is called Yellow Topaz. I'm just going to get a Real Techniques foundation brush and apply this where I would normally apply powder highlight. So the foundation I'm going to use is my CoverGirl foundation. I know I used this in my last video, but I really do like this foundation. This or MAC Studio Fix Fluid are my faves right now. So again, sorry, I'm using my CoverGirl foundation. Then I'm just going to blend in using a foundation brush. This is from Zoeva. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer, and I'm using the Lasting Perfection Concealer. Whoa, what is my hair doing? So if you watched my last makeup tutorial, you'd know I like to put this pretty much everywhere. I really do like using concealer as a highlight and to clean up above my eyebrows. Then I'm going to blend that in using the same brush. Around those more delicate areas, I'm going to take a small concealer brush and just blend in the concealer. Now I'm going to powder my face using Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. I just use the shade Translucent so I can use it when I'm pale like I am now. I am kind of like transparent myself now actually, come to think of it, because I have no fake tan on. I'm so pale. But yeah, I just like to use Translucent because, like I said, it goes with my skin tone whenever really. Plus I use it in my kit, not this exact one, but I use it in my kit, so I like Translucent because it goes on basically every skin tone you can imagine and sets the face really, really nicely. Okay, so next I'm going to highlight my face using the Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlighter, and I'm basically going to smother my face in this. Next I'm going to apply some bronzer. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Tan. Next for blush, I'm going to use this MAC one. I believe this is in the shade Peaches, and I'm just going to put a light dusting of this on my cheeks. I feel like this colour goes really, really nicely with the eyes. Okay, now for lips, I'm taking MAC's Subculture Lip Liner. Then for lips, I'm going to take a MAC lipstick. This is a Cream Sheen one. It's the Samantha lipstick, so the YouTuber Samantha, I cannot pronounce her second name to save the life of me. I'll put her name on the screen, but it's her lipstick that she came out with MAC, and because I was in Canada at the time, she's a Canadian YouTuber, I got 2 of them, so yeah, I'm going to apply this. Because this lipstick is a Cream Sheen, it is quite glossy, but to make it even glossier and to darken the colour down ever so slightly, I'm going to use the Peaches and Cream Bambi Lip Gloss. So guys, that's this makeup look complete. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really, really like how it turned out. I was a bit unsure. I kind of had an idea in my head of what I wanted to do, and once I'd done this I don't know, I was really happy with how it turned out, so I was like, yes, I'm going to film it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Like I said, this is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but in my last video I said that I wanted to be a little bit more creative on my YouTube channel, so for me this is a little bit creative. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see any specific looks from me, because you know what, I'm just gonna say F it. I'm gonna be more creative, I'm gonna jump out my comfort zone, and I'm gonna try different looks. If they don't work out, it doesn't matter. A few things in this look didn't really work out, but hey, makeup is all about practice. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!